Hey guys, this is SolarRack333 with an update video review, and Boudica has already decided to take over this video. Booty. Excuse me, girl. Boudica. Boudica, can I do this video? Boudica. Excuse me, Booty. Thank you. So, here is the Legacy United Slipstream with the Nonnef production upgrade kit. And she is awesome. And so I got the wing fillers and the null rays that attach to the back of her shoulders for that traditional seeker look. Here are her original weapons attached underneath her forearms. There's a peg there. So she's definitely armed. And I also ordered the chest. I didn't want to buy the entire set because there's pieces that I really didn't want. Well, no, take it back. Yeah, there was a lot of pieces that I didn't want. I did want the black null rays. So if I bought the regular set, it would come with gray null rays, and I didn't want that. So I would have to just select the actual pieces that I wanted. And then I also selected a couple of chests, but I don't understand why they would offer this without the piece that actually connects to the torso. You know, so these do nothing. You have to buy the entire set to get the chest piece that these will attach to. And again, I did not want to buy the entire set because there's going to be tons of pieces that I won't use. So, you know, I would have been fine with just this. It sucks that this is an offering, but not the piece that this attaches to. You know, it should be included in this. So I like the Nonnef Productions upgrade kits, but they need to be very clear on their website what pieces you're actually getting. So like I want to get another upgrade kit for the Optimus Prime trailer, but it's unclear what pieces you get on the site. You can select it, but the wording is off. So rather than spend a bunch of money and then get the wrong thing, and you know, you can contact them, but I have a feeling they'll just say, well, it's on the site. Yeah, well, it's not clear. So, but the pieces that I do have on her look really good. I really do like the wing fillers. And again, if you get the regular set, it's not going to be the purple wings. I wanted the purple wings. So, yeah. So there she is, looking awesome. And there she is with Windblade. And yeah, and I thought about getting the upgrade chest, but I don't know. If I get the chest, both, it'll just give the figure the fake cockpit chest when the cockpit is right here. So I think I'm fine with their regular chest right there. Yeah, so I really like how they both look now. And I have a spare Windblade sword, so I gave it to Slipstream. So here, there they both are. And here she is in her alt mode, looking very nice. And I definitely like how the null rays come above the wings like that. So you just unpeg them from the back of the shoulder and peg them onto the side of her legs there. Looks cool. Have her sword pegged on the back. And the wings definitely bulk her up. I like how that looks. The purple is slightly off, but I don't mind it. And here's Windblade. So yeah, I wanted to give her the null rays too, so black for both of them. Now for some reason these null rays are very loose on her shoulder. I think they're fine on the side here, but yeah, they're very loose. And I swapped them, so it doesn't matter. I think her shoulders are just loose. So yeah, I think these look pretty cool. I wonder if, I think the answer is yes. I wonder if Hasbro will do another fembot using this mold. They do repaints for everything. And then, but now I have an extra set of null rays that don't peg anywhere, since this covered up the peg holes on the wings. So a couple of loose guns in alt mode. I really hate these pins that Hasbro is using and has been using on these figures for a while, because I do want to part swap. If I had a second Windblade, I want to give her black fins, black hinges. So there's a lot of pieces I would like to swap out, but oh well. But yeah, there is Slipstream with the upgrade kit, and Windblade now has some null rays. So very nice.